Let's learn the names of 15 farm animals. Repeat the words after me. Number 1. This is a cow. Cow. Number 2. This is a pig. Pig. Number 3. This is a sheep. Sheep. Number 4. This is a dog. Dog. Number 5. This is a horse. Horse. Number 6. This is a donkey. Donkey. Number 7. This is a goat. Goat. Number 8. This is a cat. Cat. Number 9. This is a mouse. Mouse. Number 10. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. Number 11. This is a turkey. Turkey. Number 12. This is a duck. Duck. Number 13. This is a chick. Chick. Number 14. This is a hen. Hen. A hen is an adult female chicken. And finally, number 15. This is a rooster. Rooster. A rooster is an adult male chicken. What is your favorite animal that you can find on the farm? I love horses and donkeys. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Learn English Diary for more videos like this one.